In this video lecture, we are going to see the assignment number 4. So the external plate of side 25 mm resting on HP such that one of its corner touches both HP and VP. Now resting part is corner is resting on, one corner is resting on both HP and VP. And the surface is inclined 30 degree with the HP. The surface inclination is given. Surface is inclined 30 degree to HP. Also the surface is inclined 60 degree to VP. So two surface inclination given. The edge inclination or apparent inclination is not given in this problem. Whenever two surface inclination is given, you have to look for whether corner is resting on HP or VP. The corner is resting on HP means you can start with the top view. The corner is resting on VP means you can start with the front view. So whenever plane is inclined to both HP and VP, you have to look for the corner position. Corner is resting on one of the corner is resting on HP means start with the top view. Plane will be inclined to HP and inclined to VP. Similarly, one of the corner is lying on VP means start with the front view when surface inclined to both HP and VP. Now in this case, corner is resting on both HP and VP. So how to start the diagram? Corner is resting on both HP and VP. So in this case, either you can start with the front view or you can start with the top. Okay, so that corner will be lies on HP and VP. Now I am keeping one corner here. Plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. This is a second diagram. This is the initial position. Corner is available here. The second diagram, plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. One of the corner resting on HP. The third diagram, what we are going to do is, we are going to rotate this top view through 90 degree so that the corner on HP will lie on VP. Like that, you have to rotate the final top view. So this corner is lies on both your HP and VP. So this is your second position. Corner lies on HP. You are getting one apparent top view. That top view are going to rotate through 90 degree in such a way that that corner is lies on VP like this. Okay, once again I am explaining here. One other corner is resting on HP. Plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. You are getting one apparent top view. The final diagram, you are going to rotate the final top view in such a way that the resting corner lies on VP. So as I already told you, in this case, you can either start with the front view or top view because corner is lies on both HP and VP. Suppose if you are starting in the front view means this will be your initial position. The second diagram, plane is inclined 60 degree to VP. Now in the third diagram, this corner point lies on VP. This front view, in the second position, you are getting on front view. The third diagram, you have to rotate this front view in such a way that the corner lies on like this. The corner lies on both HP and VP. So that this corner will be lies on VP as well as HP. Also, the same angle with the HP and VP will be maintained. Okay. So if you start with the front view or top view, in both the case, your final front view and the top view will be the same one in this case. Okay. So most probably, almost all the books, they worked out in the top view only. So you can use that. Since most of the books use starting with the top view, I am also going to start with the top. So another corner, one of the corner pointers lies on both HP and VP. Now assume that plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. So I am going to start with the top view. Draw the front view. Second diagram, the plane will be inclined 30 degree to HP. Now transfer this A to B. Transfer points A dash, B dash. This front view, same front view I am going to draw here. Transfer A dash, C dash. Okay. Now using the initial top view and the second stage front view, I am going to draw the apparent top view. Extend the B, corner point B, B1. Extend the corner point C, C1 dash. Extend the corner point D, D1 dash. Extend the corner point E, D1 dash. Extend the corner point F. So we are getting the apparent top view. Now the corner A I am keeping here, the same corner point A lies on HP. Now as per the given condition, the corner is resting on both HP and VP. Now how to make this resting corner A lies on VP? Now enclose the top view inside the rectangle. Now you think here how to make the resting corner. The corner A1 dash lies on HP. The same corner should lies on VP. So your XY line is the VP. Okay. So I'm going to rotate this top view through 90 degree so that the corner A1 is lies on VP. The final diagram. So just rotate this top view through 90 degree. Okay. That means this 4-1 should be on the XY line. So this is your 4 and this will be your 1. Now through this draw the perpendicular line. Okay. Now transfer 4 to 3. Similarly transfer 1 to 2. Now transfer all the corner points. The important thing is the resting corner A should be lies on VP. That is on the XY line here. Okay. So 4A1 transfer on 4-1. This will be your A2. So that corner A is lies on VP. Transfer B and C on 4-3. So 4-3 available here. So B2, transfer this measurement C2, transfer D available on 3, 2. So measure 3D. Then EF available on 2, 1. On this 2, 1, you have to transfer E and F. Measure 1, F1 and transfer on 1, 2. Now look at the diagram here. This corner A lies on HP. When you rotate the top view through 90 degree in such a way that the same corner point A lies on VP also. So corner A lies on HP as well as VP. Now you draw the front view. Xn A1 dash and A2. A2 already available on the same place. Xn A1 dash. So this will be A2 dash. Then Xn B. So B is here. This will be B2 dash. Then Xn C2. Then Xn D2. Then Xn E. The E2. F. F2 dash. Join all the points in alphabetical order. Okay. Now the final diagram. The plane is inclined 30 degree to HP. The one corner is the same corner. Corner A lies on VP. The front view, the same corner A2 dash lies on HP. Now what about the angle 60 degree with the VP? That we cannot show in the diagram. For example, when you make the plane incline 30 degree to HP, when you rotate the top view through this angle, okay, or when you make the top view through this angle, if this angle is 30 degree, the angle it is making with the VP, naturally it will be 60 degree. For example, this angle is 30 degree. The angle it is naturally making with the VP will be naturally it will be 60 degree. So that the total angle will be 180 degree. Okay. So this angle with the VP will always naturally available as 60 degree. That we cannot show in this drawing. Only in the side view, only this angle 60 degree and the 30 degree will be visible. When you use the side view drawing, you can show that angle. Okay. Thank you, students.